Okay guys, today I'm going to sing the song is Payphone by Maroon 5. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm at the payphone trying to call home all of my shames I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, so wrong? Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you were new next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it is too late to try. And in our health on the drifts and all of our bridges run down. I wasted my night, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my shames I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, so wrong? Where are the plans we made for two? If a beer whether it exists, I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. Why not something love this? I'd be sick. Turn on back on tomorrow, 'cause you got yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but I just gave it away. Can't just accept it back. I don't accept you to care. I know you said it's before, but all of our bridges run down. I'll wait in my nights, you turn out the light. I'm still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my shames I've been on you. Have the time gone, baby, so wrong? All of my I'm made for two. If ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of these. One more freaking love, I'll be sick. Now I'm at the payphone. All the money yours is around, wondering came out from nothing. This is what I can read it from the rapping. I mean, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my shames I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, so wrong? Where are the plans we made for two? If ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Although tell the fool of one more love song, I'd be sick. Now I'm at the payphone. Peace.